Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Tuesday, November 13th. Here are some special announcements for today. Boys and girls, please make sure you remind your parents that tomorrow is an early dismissal day, so we will be dismissing at 1:05. And then also, PTCO meeting is happening today after school at 3:30. Don't have any November birthdays to announce for today, but we do have a couple coming up very soon. So look forward to those probably tomorrow. Lunch choices. We have Italian grilled cheese with sauce, beef nachos, or turkey with cheese wrap. And then today for our pause, I thought we would do the Kid President famous one of 20 things we should say more often. Because I think there's some great things in here that we can all do to make sure that we say these things more often.
20 things we should say more often. Number 20, thank you. And not just on Thanksgiving, every day. Number 19, excuse me. Number 18, here's a surprise corn dog that I bought you because you're my friend. There'll be more corn dogs and more happy people. This is a good idea. Corn dog for you, corn dog for you, corn dog for you. Number 17, I'm sorry. Number 16, I forgive you. Number 15, you can do it! But don't say it if it's something I can't do. Number 14, another thing that we should say more often, I have barbecue sauce in my shirt too. Before I say something about the barbecue sauce on somebody else's shirt, take a look at the barbecue sauce on your own shirt. Number 13, please. Number 12, everything is going to be okay. Number 11, oh, you got me a corn dog too? You shouldn't have, buddy. Number 10, I don't know. I know a lot of people who need to say that. My sister. Number 9, you're so awesome I named my dog after you. Wait. That could hurt someone's feelings. I mean boat. I named my boat after you. Wait, who even has a boat? You're so awesome, I legally changed my name to yours. Wait, that's super creepy. Just tell people they're awesome and mean it. Number 8, hello person that I've never met before. Here's a high five. Number 7, my sports team is not always the best sports team. It takes a big man to say that. Number 6, nothing. Sometimes that's the best thing you can say. Number 5, doesn't mean anything, but it's just really funny. Number 4, I disagree with you, but I still like you as a person, who is a human being, and I'll treat you like that, because if I didn't, it would make everything bad, and that's what lots of people do, and it's lame. Whew, I need a water break, y'all. It's okay to disagree, but it's not okay to be mean. Number 3, sometimes you just gotta scream. Number 2, life is tough, but so are you. Sometimes we all need to be reminded to keep going. Number 1, something nice, anything. If you can't think of anything nice to say, you're not thinking hard enough. So what about you? What do you think people should say more often? Leave a comment below and let's hear it. Oh, and I got a bonus one for you. Something that we should say more often? Let's dance.
So pancake.
All right, some great things there, especially the things that you can do to help out others and being polite. Those things all follow our pause. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance for today, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, thank you very much, boys and girls. Today, let's have a great day. Remember, it's great choices today. Make a great day. The choices are yours, so let's make a good one. And I want to hear all those great things, just like the kid president said, of things that we should say more often. I want to hear those things today. So let's hear those please and thank yous. And, well, yeah, if corn dog was on the menu, we could talk about that too. But that'll be another day. All right, everyone, have a great day.